In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DNS probe, finished bad config error on Chrome. If you're seeing this message, it usually means your computer can't properly look up website addresses due to a temporary network or DNS issue. Don't worry, these steps are safe, straightforward, and often resolve the problem quickly. Start with a simple power cycle of your network. Unplug your router and modem from power. Wait at least a full minute. This pause lets the devices fully discharge and clear cached network data. Plug the modem back in first, give it time to fully start up until its lights stabilize, then plug the router back in and let it reconnect. Once both are online, try Chrome again. Next, restart your computer. A quick reboot can clear temporary glitches, refresh your network stack, and re-establish clean connections. If the error persists, clear Chrome's cache. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, go to More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to All Time. Select the option to clear cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Corrupted or stale cache can cause Chrome to reuse bad network information, so this step ensures it fetches fresh data. Reopen Chrome and test a few sites. If you still see the error, move on to Advanced Network Cleanup. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for it, right-clicking, and choosing Run as Administrator. In the window that opens, type ipconfig, release, and press Enter to drop your current IP address. Then type ipconfig-flushdns and press Enter. This clears the local DNS cache so your system forgets any bad entries. Finally, type ipconfig-renew and press Enter to request a fresh IP configuration from your router. Close the window and test Chrome again. If the issue continues, reset your network settings that manage how Windows talks to the Internet. Open Command Prompt as an administrator once more. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This rebuilds the WinSock catalog, which handles essential network communication for apps like Chrome. When it completes, restart your computer to apply the reset. After the restart, open Chrome and browse to a few different sites to confirm everything is working. These steps address the most common causes of the DNS probe, finished, bad config error by refreshing your connection, clearing stale data, and rebuilding key network components. Follow them in order, take your time with the waits and restarts, and you should be back online without the error.